Hello everyone and welcome back to TrendingX. Today we'll talk about PlayStation 5 launch date in India, what all are its specifications, how much it cost, different variants it have and everything you need to know about. So watch this video till the end for every details about PS5.
Turn the fuck up.
So finally PS5 will be making its way to Indian markets from 2nd of February and pre-booking will be starting from January 12 at 12 pm live on Amazon, Flipkart, Chroma, Reliance Digital, Games the Shop and other selected authorized retail partners. Sony shared through its PlayStation India account recently and said pre-orders will be open till stock lasts. This console is originally launched in selected regions on November 12, 2020 and on November 19, 2020, but not in India because of shortage in stock, some BIS certifications and some copyright issues. According to a report, 3.4 million units of PS5 were sold in its first month, making it the highest ever for any console. Report also states Sony is expected to ship 16.8 to 18 million units in 2021 if capacity of other related firms support. Now talking about its specifications, PS5's 7nm CPU is produced by AMD with graphics of custom AMD RDNA2, GPU 36 CUs of 2.3 GHz. It holds a huge capacity of 825 GB SSD with a custom 8-core AMD Zen 2 processor of CPU 3.5 GHz with SMT along with 16 GB of GDDR6 RAM. This PS5 comes in two variants, and talking about its Indian pricing, so the digital edition will cost 39,990 and the standard edition with a disk drive will cost 49,990. Last but not the least, talking about its accessories, so it came with DualSense wireless controller, DualSense charging station, HD camera, Pulse 3D wireless headset and a media remote. So this is all about PS5. Let's see what response it will get after its launch in India. Hoping for the best. Hope you like this video, and if you do then please like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel for regular trending updates, and I'll see you in the next video.